Excuse me?
Yes, sir?
I think I've misplaced my key card.
No problem, sir. Please follow me. This way, please. Please, sir. Sir, could you help me with your name, please?
Sorry?
Sir, your name?
Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Okay. Sir, your room number?
601.
Right. Could I have some ID, please?
I don't have any ID. Actually, it's in my room. And I have locked myself out.
Sorry, sir. I need to see some ID.
Sakshi, right?
Yes, sir.
Sakshi, tell me one thing. Why will I pretend to be Mahendra Singh Dhoni?
I don't know, sir. It's... Actually, I'm interning with this hotel and this is what we've been instructed to do.
Okay, Sakshi, why don't we do one thing? You take my key card, we'll go to my room, and then I'll show you my ID. Will that be okay?
Yeah, Sanjay, sir, could I do that?
Yes, please.
See? We can.
Sure, sir. Please. I'm so sorry, sir. I didn't recognize you.
Thank you. It's okay.
Actually, I don't like cricket, so I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it like that. I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to.
Can I have your autograph?
Sorry?
This is. तुम अपना काम कर रही थी. You really didn't care about anything. It's rare. Can I have your autograph?
So mad.
It's okay.
That's so embarrassing. How can I?
Go for it.
Okay. Have a good day, sir.
I'm having one, Sakshi.
Sir, thank you.